Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let me give you a table with scores and the disease. Nasser score is for Wilson's disease. Nasser score is for Wilson's disease. MELD score is for fulminant hepatic failure. MELD score is for fulminant hepatic failure for liver transplantation. MELD score is for fulminant hepatic failure for liver transplantation. Okay, then we have child pug score. Child pug score is for cirrhosis. Then we have discriminant function score. What is discriminant function score for? Discriminant function score is for alcoholic hepatitis. It is for alcoholic hepatitis. Okay. So these are the important scores and the diseases. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.